Welcome. In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Stratos 2 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time and date on this watch. So the first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and look for the time and date option, and once you find it, tap on it, of course. And here by default the sync app will be enabled, and if this option is enabled, the time and date will sync with your phone that is paired with your watch. So if your watch is not paired with a phone, it won't sync, but if it is, it will sync the time from that phone. You can disable this option though, and if you disable it, you will be able to set the time and date manually. And here you can tap on time. You can adjust it by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. Then we have the date, and you can do the same. First we can adjust days, then month, and then year. And you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And you can also enable or disable the 24-hour time. Basically, it will change the time format. If you disable the 24-hour time, you will have the 12-hour time. So basically, you will have AM and PM hours. And if you enable it, you will have 24-hour time. And once you're done, you can press the select button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust or change the time and date on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.